Okay, guys, so let's begin this. So we'll start with just give you a brief introduction before we move further here, guys. So, okay. So first of all, I'm using the Azure Data Engineering. Okay, so I'm using the Azure Data Engineering. So when we talk about the that is the Azure Data Engineering, which in short we call it as the ADE. Okay, guys. So here we have what's that? The Azure Data Engineering. It is the bunch of what is it, guys? Everyone, cloud services. It is the bunch of the cloud services, guys. Everyone. So it is a bunch of cloud services. So Azure Data Engineering is nothing but it is the bunch of cloud services wherein wherein it can perform the following jobs. What is that? The first one is called as what? Data migration. The first one is called as what? Data migration. And the second one is called as the data. Yes, guys, what is that? Data integration. And then we have what is the data summarization. Then we have the data visualization. Okay, what's that? You have it? Data visualization. So here we have what is it? The following are the things we have. What is it? The Azure Data Engineering is nothing but it's a bunch of cloud services which is provided in order to perform the what's it following, that is the data migration, data integration, then you have the data summarization and data visualization. Okay, guys, this whole process, whatever we have it, everyone, this whole process, whatever we have it, this whole process, guys, everyone, this whole process is nothing but okay. So let's start here. First of all, the services. So when we talk about the Azure Data Engineering, as you know that this is a bunch of cloud services. The following are the services we have it as, guys. Those are ADF, and then we have the ADB, Azure Databricks, and then we have the Synapse. Okay, ADF, ADB, that is called as a Synapse, and then you have what is that? ADF, that is the Azure Data Factory. Then you have the Azure Databricks. Then you have the Synapse, and then you have what is that? ML stands for machine learning. Okay. Then we have what is that, guys? Apart from this AI, so you can say AI. Okay. And then apart from this, guys, again you have what is that? So you have the OpenAI, guys. OpenAI. AI and OpenAI, the basic difference here is that, okay, so the OpenAI is just nothing but you have, what is it, guys? You have just chat GPT, the same like the chat GPT. Here you have this OpenAI, and finally you have the Fabric. Like many more are there, guys, but I'm listing out very few of it. Okay, so these are all the things which are included. These are all the things which are included, guys, everyone. These are all the things which are included into the these are all the yes these are all the things which are included into the Azure Data Engineering, guys. Okay, these are all the things which is included into the Azure Data Engineering. Then apart from this, guys, everyone, then apart from this, okay, so when we talk about the next one, what is that you have it? The whole story starts from what? Data. Data means what? The place. Okay, data means what? Information, guys. The whole process starts from the data. The whole process starts from what? Data, guys, everyone. Okay, the whole process starts from what? Data. So data means what? Everyone, information. Data is nothing but what? Information. Data is nothing but what? Information. So information is, from where do we get the data or information? We always get the data or the information from the business. Yes. we always get the data or the information from the business. That means ultimately we get the data from the business. We get the data from the business. We get the data or the information from the, that is data from the business. So when we talk about the business, guys, what type of business you can have? Yes, what type of business you can have? So I can say you can get the data from the very basic business you have it. Okay, and very important source of getting the data, that is called as what? Social networking sites. Social networking sites means what, guys? Social networking sites are those where the massive amount of data will be generated. Where the massive amount of data will be generated, such as, what are the social networking sites you have it, guys? You have the FB, that is called the Facebook. Then you have the Insta. Okay. Then you have what's it, guys, everyone? Huh? Facebook, Insta. Okay. Facebook, Insta, Telegram. Facebook, Insta, Telegram, everyone. Facebook, Insta, Telegram. Okay, then we have, what is that? Okay, many more are the YouTube. All these are, what is that? A place, okay, where you can get the data. That is nothing but data. So where this data, guys, whatever the data we get it here, it is called as the big data. It is called as what? Big data. It is called as what, guys, everyone? It is called as the big data. It is called as what? Big data, guys. It is called as what? Big data. Okay, now again, the next one you have what's the data. So, guys, what is the other thing you have it? The data or the information. We get it from the business ultimately. So, business is nothing but a place where transactions takes place. Okay. So here you can say business. And what are the other source of generating the data, guys? Tell me now. The next one is called as the banking sector, or by using the banking applications. And these applications, guys, using the banking applications, and these applications are used at the bank level. Okay, banking applications, and these applications are used at the bank level. Okay, banking applications, and these applications are used at the banking level. Okay, so banking applications, okay, these are used at the bank level, guys. And now, okay, so banking applications are used at the banking sector, and this generates the massive amount of data, which is also called as what, guys, everyone? This is also called as what? Big data. This is also called as what? Big data. Again, you have what is it, guys? Okay, data or the information. Data or the information, we ultimately get it from the business. So what is the other source of getting the data, guys? It can be, guys, I can say human generated data, human, or I'll say and human and machine generated. Human or machine generated data. That means it is generated by you and me, guys. It is generated by you and me. And even we generate the massive amount of data, which is called as what? Big data. Which is called as what, guys? Big data. which is called as what? Big data here. Okay. We generate the massive amount of data that is called as what? Big data, guys. And apart from this, what is the very important source we are missing, guys? Because already we have done this yesterday, am I right? I'm just brushing up before we move further. Yeah, Rohit. Yeah, did you remember it? Yeah, guys, it should be audible and you should respond it, guys. We should be interactive. Again, the next one, what should you have it? The data. From what is the other source of getting the data, guys? The very important source is called as what? Data or the information. Data or the information, and this data or the information we get it from the business. The data or the information we get it from the business, and whereas this business is nothing but, guys, everyone, here you can say live streaming data. Live streaming data. Okay, live streaming data. So means what, guys? Live streaming data means what? Live streaming data. Live streaming data is nothing but what? The data which we get it on the continuous basis. There will be no interruption for the data. So what is that? You have, what is that, guys? Tell me, everyone. The data which we get it from where, guys? The data which we get it from the following. What is that following, guys? Live streaming process means what? In the stock market, guys. Shares, debentures, all this is what? Stock market, which keeps on radiating every minute, every second, the value keeps on changing. Bitcoin market. Okay. So, guys, all these are what? All these are the, can you see it? In your live cricket match. Okay. So even this one, all these are called as what, guys? Big data only. And this will generate the massive amount of data. They generate what? Massive amount of data. So hence you have, what's that? It generates the massive amount of data. So hence, even this is called as what, guys, everyone? Big data. It is called as what? Big data. So these are all the, yes, guys, these are all the, yes, everyone, these are all the, there is nothing but the sources of getting the big data. So as already you know that basically the big data, whatever we have it, okay, guys, the big data is classified into how many categories, guys? Everyone, please respond. This big data is classified into how many categories? Yes, guys. The first category is called as what? Structured data. And the second one is called as what, guys? Semi-structured data. Guys, are you there?
Yes, Samir.
Okay.
Unstructured data.
Yeah, unstructured data. So these are all the sources of getting the, these are all the varieties of big data, you can say. Structured, semi-structured, and as well as the unstructured. Structured, semi-structured, and as well as the unstructured. So guys, when we talk about the structured data, guys, everyone, when we talk about the structured data, so structured data is nothing but what? The data already kept in a proper form. The data is already kept in a proper form is called as the structured data. So that is called as what? Table data. The data which is kept in the proper form of what? Tables. And tables are the form of what's that, guys, everyone? Rows and columns. Rows and columns. So in the form of structured data, that is data tables in the form of rows and columns. Okay, in the form of what? Rows and columns. Then the next one, what should you have it? Semi-structured. Semi-structured. So what is it, semi-structured, guys, everyone? The semi-structured is nothing but the data which we just put it here, guys. Semi-structured data is nothing but the data which is kept, okay, here. Okay, what is that? And that is semi-structure is nothing but the data which is not fully understood by the user, but still it can understand. Up to an extent, it can understand the same, guys. So that is the data which is already there in the JSON files, the data which is there in the HTML files, and the data which is there in the XML files. So guys, this all, I hope everyone is understanding this. JSON, HTML, XML, can you see it? These are all the things we have it. JSON, HTML, XML, so these are all the things we have it here. So I think yesterday we have discussed this. Am I right? I need not discuss them in detail now. Yeah, somebody?
Yes, yes, Sunil.
So anyways, the next one, what is it? You have it unstructured, guys. Unstructured means what? There is no proper structure for the data. That is nothing but, guys, what is the unstructured data? There is no proper structure of it. That means the photos in your mobile phone, videos. Yes. So photos, videos, guys, photos, videos, and okay, you have the photos, videos, and then you have what's it, guys? Chat history, photos, videos, chat history, and then you have the voice notes. This all are called as what, guys? Unstructured data. So the job of a data engineer, first of all, starts from this. What is that? Yes, guys, conversion of unstructured data, guys, everyone, conversion of unstructured data to what is it, everyone? Conversion of unstructured data to the semi-structured. Conversion of unstructured data towards it, semi-structured, and then you have what's it? Semi-structured to what is it, guys, everyone? Semi-structured to what's it? Structured data. So this is the job of a, yeah, exactly. This is the job of a data engineer to do first. And once it is converted from the semi-structured to structured, and structured to semi-structured, semi-structured to there is unstructured to semi-structured, semi-structured to structured, then we'll start the process. But whereas after getting this data, can you see here, after getting this data from these formats, okay, when the data is ready, guys, what we do? Yes, everyone, once the data is ready and prepared here, once the data is ready and prepared, once the data is ready to use here, okay, guys, so we will start with the first process here, okay. Yeah, everyone. So, but what is that? To store this data, guys, whether it is structured or unstructured or the semi-structured, whether you store the data called what? Structured, semi-structured or unstructured. To store this data in Azure, we require the storages. We require what's it, guys, everyone? Storages in Azure. We require what's it? Storages in Azure. So guys, the following are the storages we have it. So totally, when you talk about the storages, guys, we have how many storages here? 90 plus storages. How many? 90 plus storages. So you have in Azure 90 plus storages. How many storages, guys? 90 plus storages. In Azure, 90 plus storages are available. Okay. In Azure, we have what's that? 90 plus storages are available. It's okay. 90 plus storages are available in Azure, guys. 90 plus storages are available in Azure. Okay. Okay. So what are all those? What are all those? Let us try to see them. The first one is called as a Azure Blob Storage. Azure Blob Storage, guys, everyone. Azure Blob Storage, everyone. Azure Blob Storage. And then you have what is that, guys, everyone? Azure Data Lake Gen 2. Guys, Azure Blob Storage means what? Azure Blob Storage is nothing but, guys, everyone. Azure Blob Storage is nothing but, this is the very basic storage, guys. This is the very basic storage you have it. Azure Blob Storage. Okay. This is the very basic storage you have it, which is called as the Azure Blob Storage, guys, which is called as the Azure Blob Storage, where this can store any kind of data. What is my data, guys? What is the amount of, what is the quality of data you can store? It can store any quality of data, guys. Whether you have a unstructured, semi-structured, or structured, whichever the quality of data you have, we can store it into the Azure Blob storage. We can store it into the Azure Blob storage without worrying about the data, without worrying about the type of data you have it. So we can store the semi-structured data, and we can also store the structured data, semi-structured data, and as well as the unstructured data. So three categories of data we can store. But there is a technical glitch here. What is that? Guys, you cannot store data. Yes, you cannot store the data here exceeding 500, okay, 500 TB. That means this is called as a limited storage. It is called as what, guys? It is called as the limited storage. It is called as what? Limited storage. It is called as what, guys? Limited storage. Okay. So you cannot store very massive or big amount of data into the same. And next one, apart from this, guys, again, you have what is that, everyone? So I'm just taking up the next one. What is that? Azure Data Lake Gen 2. Gen 2 also can store any kind of data. That is, it can store the unstructured to semi-structure, semi-structure to structure. But now the actual logic here is that, guys, everyone, the logic here is that this is called as, guys, this is called as unlimited storage. It is called as what? Unlimited storage. Means what, guys? Unlimited storage means what? There will be no limitation for storing the data. Whatever the volume of the data you have it, okay, whether it is in TB, terabytes, petabytes, or whatever it may be, all okay, all what is that? All what is that, guys? All okay, we can store it here. That's it. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, so we can store. This is the maximum we can have it. So everyone is following or not? Please respond. Hello.
Yes, Samir, we are following.
Okay. So again, the next one was already have it. Okay. Okay. Thank you for responding, everyone. So guys, basically, this is the data we have it. Now, on the next one, what is the other type of guys? What is the other type of data you have it? Let's try to put it here, everyone. Third one. Let's try to see Azure SQL database means what? When we have the Azure SQL database means what, guys? Azure SQL can store only the structured data. Only structured data. Why? Because we say what is it? SQL server now, guys. Everyone. SQL server we say. So what do you mean SQL server? The SQL server is nothing but, everyone, the SQL server is nothing but it is an on-premises system. If we use the same SQL server onto the cloud, then it is called as what? Azure SQL database. It is called as what, guys, everyone? Azure SQL database. It is called as what? Azure SQL database. So here you have what's it? Azure SQL database. So hence, can you see here, everyone? So we can say Azure SQL database. So hence we say it as what? Azure SQL database. So whenever you have the Azure SQL database, everyone, whenever you have the Azure SQL database, so now we can say the Azure SQL database, if you have in cloud, it is called as what, guys? It is called as what? Azure SQL database. It is in cloud. On premises, it is called as what? SQL server, whatever it may be. But it can store only one category of data. No other category of data supported here. What is that? That is called a structured data. That's it. Okay. And now for storing, anyways, there shall be no limit here again. So again, you have what's it, guys? Fourth one, you have the Azure Cosmos DB. So guys, Cosmos DB is nothing but it is called as what? No SQL database. It is called as what? No SQL. Yes, guys, it is called as what? No SQL database. Everyone. It is called as what? No SQL database, guys, everyone. It is called as a no SQL database. That means there will be, guys, there will be no SQL used here. That means when there is no SQL means what? If you have SQL, then only we use only the structured data, guys. And if you have no SQL, guys, everyone, if you have no SQL, everyone, if you have no SQL, if you have no SQL, guys, if you have no SQL, okay. So if you have no SQL, then we can store what, everyone? If you have no SQL, then we can store what, guys? If you have no SQL, then we can store what, guys? Any kind of, okay, data, that is, we can store the semi-structured and structured. Unstructured, anyways, we don't support it here to store. So again, we can store the same data. And obviously, it's limitless, no limit again for the same, okay? And the next one after this, guys, everyone, the next one after this, I'm coming to the next line. And the fifth one I can say, guys. So what should we have it? Azure Elastic Pools. Azure Elastic Pools. Means what, guys? Uh, please respond. Yes, guys. Okay, anyways, can you see it? So, guys, here you have it, everyone. So here you have what's it, guys, everyone. So this is the thing, you have it, elastic pool. So the elastic pool is nothing but, guys, you can store multiple databases here. Suppose you have the sales database is one database, you have it. In the same way, you have production databases there. Okay, sales database, production database. Okay, so okay, sales database, production database, everyone. Sales database, production database. So these are all the things we have it. Okay, inventory database. If you have 100 databases are there, all those 100 databases we can store it at a single place, where the same is called as what, guys? Where the same is called as what? Azure Elastic Pools. It is called as what? Azure Elastic Pool. It is called as what? Azure Elastic Pool. So likewise, if you keep on calculating the same, guys, here you have what's that? 90 plus storages are available. How many storages are there, guys? 90 plus storages are available. How many? 90 plus. So now, so how to view this 90 plus storage? So for that, guys, again, you have to go here. Can you see? I'm just opening it here. First of all, you have to use it here, azure.com, guys. And you have to register. After registering it, you will be rerouted to what? Portal.azure.com. So now, guys, now I'm starting up the practicals here, everyone. See here. Just a minute, guys. I'm opening this. I hope everyone is able to see the screen here, guys. So can you see here? I'm using the, first of all, can you see it? This is called the portal.azure.com. So this is the direct portal you have it, where we are going to work on from now onwards. Can you see it? How to go to this page? For going to this page, you have to use what? Azure.com. And once you have been to the Azure.com, everyone, can you see the screen here? Everyone, please respond.
Yeah, we can.
So here you have to click on what's it, guys? Getting started or try Azure for free first. Free means only 1 month free it will be, guys. Okay. So again, you have to choose the try for free. As I'm already registered, it says the cloud innovatives is already registered. So if you want to register, that's fine. You can just have it here, guys, everyone. You go to enter the password. If you enter the password, it will reroute you and take you to this particular page. What is that? Portal.azure.com. That's very simple method of registration, guys. You require a one debit card or credit card, whichever it is available for you. Okay. Okay, guys. So here you have it. This is the portal.azure.com. So now, as already we have discussed that here you have what is it? How many storages here? 90 plus storages. You want to see the storage? So I'll take you forward to the storages here, guys. Just go here. Can you see? Just click on the open one more services. These are all the services we have. What is that, guys? Everyone, check on the services. See, these are called as AI plus machine learning services. Artificial intelligence plus machine learning service. Likewise, come down here, guys, everyone. Then you have what's that, guys, everyone? Analytical services, analytics, compute, containers. See, these are the storages. How many storages are there, guys? 11 storages. So, which I told you, totally 90 plus now. So, out of 90 plus, you have 11 here only. Database storages is 19. 11 plus 19 means what, guys? 30 storages here only you have it. Get DevOps services, general services. Then you have Hyper plus multi-cloud services, hybrid plus multi-cloud services, identity, integration. Okay. These are some management and governance where you have 41 services. These are the migration, monitor. Here you have what's that? Storage. Again, you have what's that, guys? The 30. 30 already we have it previously 30 plus 7 means what is that? 47. Am I right, everyone? 30 plus 7, 30 plus 7 is what? 17 is what? 47. Okay. 47 storages. So here only are 47 storages. If you keep on counting them manually, guys, here you may get many other storages as well. So totally you have what is that? 90 plus storages. So this is how we can see the storages, guys. So now again, the next one, what is it you have it, guys? Everyone, can you see here? So this is how we start up the things practically. So guys, these are the things we have it. So from Monday onwards, tomorrow, anyways, guys, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, as it's in Saturday, Sunday, as I told you, we'll have the classes from Monday to Fridays, and Saturday and Sunday you won't have be having the class. So Monday we'll meet again, guys. Monday we'll meet again. So Monday we'll meet again the same time, that is at 7 o'clock. All of you, okay. And the next one after this, guys, uh, Monday at the same time we'll meet, okay. And okay, we'll retain the same link for Monday, okay, guys. The same link, there will be no change in the link for Monday. You can join it using the same link, guys. From Tuesday, the link will be changed. Okay. So Monday, you can join with the same link and we'll continue on Monday. Okay. And meanwhile, you can start using this, okay, service, whatever you have it, guys. You can start using this. Okay. That means you can open the services, whatever the service you have it, you can open it, guys. Okay. And you can use the same. So any other questions if you have, please let me know, guys. Hello? Any questions? No? Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone. So we'll meet again on Monday at 7 o'clock. Thank you. I'm ending the class.